within Githunguri.
Minod jalup jatend piny Dorcas Gachagua kwedo riwruok mar joma timo hera e kindgi giwegi kowacho ni piny Kenya onge koda thuolo ne joma kamago. Pastor Dorcas Gachagua obuono jogo matimo hera e kit chwech achiel mondo onyuol nyithindo mondi eka yienegi dak e kind oganda ma pachoka.
A beggar, but is a person of society.
The others can continue with theirs, and we respect them, we honor them, because they also ought to respect and honor us. We are sovereign states, and we have our laws, we have our constitutions, and law-abiding citizens always continue to do it, whether it is on that side, on this side. I'm sure when we go to their country, we will respect, we will not speak anything about their culture because that is theirs, and when they come here, let them respect us and our culture.
Riwruok jotije mbalariany ma pacho